Hi guys, today I'd like to make a very quick video and share my recipe for a multi-purpose solution, or you can even call it an all-purpose solution. This is a solution that we use to do quick cleaning of, like wiping your tabletops, your countertops in the kitchen, your dining table, whatever that you need to do a quick clean of. This is a solution that you could use. Previously, I used to buy a multi-purpose solution, but these days I just make this particular recipe that I got from a person on her channel was called Clean My Space, and this is from another platform. So I'd like to share, and ever since I got that recipe, I've been using this particular recipe to clean anything that I want to make a quick clean of in my kitchen, in my dining table, in my hall, in my living room, wherever. Okay, guys. So here's the recipe. So this is my bottle. I have labeled it, and you basically take 2 cups of water. So 2 cups of water, 1, okay, this is the second cup, and now, so this is my dish washing liquid. It's actually the brand called Joy, but you can use any brand, guys. So I'm just 1 teaspoon, okay, basically 1 teaspoon goes in there. You can even wash it out a little bit, okay, goes in there. And if you want, guys, you can even put some essential oil in there. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, depending on my mood. But today I'm going to put a little bit in. I put this one, guys. This is lemon, so it will aid in the cleaning, as well as, like, sometimes you can even use peppermint. Or there are some brands which have specific essential oils that will help in cleaning better. So this is lemon. Okay, this is lemon. I'm just going to put about 2 drops or 3 drops. Okay, I just put about 6 drops. The original recipe was about 10 drops or 15 drops, but this is enough for me. And now I have my own multi-purpose solution. So I use this whenever I want to clean my kitchen table, my kitchen countertops, anything, guys. Basically, it smells yummy. I mean, not yummy, it smells invigorating because of the lemon. So basically, that's it. You want to clean anything, this is cleaner than plain water, because there's a little bit of dish soap in there. And it also smells really good. And the essential oil in there would also help, definitely. Well, here's the recipe. If you would like to, follow this recipe, go ahead, guys. Bye, dear. Hello, everyone. Your very own homemade all-purpose solution or multi-purpose solution, whatever you call this. This is basically a real game changer. You can use it for your day-to-day cleaning. For me, I have been using this recipe, and I've changed the bottles a few times, of course, but I've been using this recipe for a very, very long time, and I'm very happy with it. So here's Shakila Shanmugam signing off. Bye, everyone.